today is Easter and happy Easter. And guys, today we are making a present. Not any normal present, a cool present. That's why I got Easter eggs to decorate them. So yeah, you know guys, last episode, yeah, we played with the present, and when we play with the prison, the prisoners escape, but we make them back to the prison, and that was easy. But this time we're going to make the prison, and that's going to be a lot more fun. So you just need a few materials: some eggs and some colorful paper and 2 pieces of paper, a scissors, some markers, yeah, then a tape, and the last item you need is a medium piece of black card. Yeah, let's start with the cells. Yeah. Then we need a huge one. That's good. So I'm going to do this now. Make lines. Yeah, that's how. Yeah, that shows how much the prisoners in prison they make lines. There we go. Yes, that's good. Now we are going to start cutting them. Yes, that's one. Yeah. Put this here. And cut this large one. It's a little cold. I gotta put my hat on. Yes, put that up. And don't need that for a little while. It's getting a little cold. It's getting too much cold, like, yeah, it's getting too much cold. Guys, I decided to come this side because it's sunny and warm. Yeah, so where was I? Yes. Need the scissors. Yeah. See this? You think we didn't cut it enough. There we go. Now it's the right size. Yes, guys, it's getting cool. Yeah, then you need one of these big ones. Guys, it's going well. Yeah. That's good. Now, I need another one of these. Okay, guys, now we are going to cut it. Now more. This much will be enough. This much will be enough to go like that. That's alright. Then we need another piece of tape. One more piece of tape. Wait a second. Wait a second. It's too long. It's still too long. Yeah, then we need this last one. This last one, and we need just one more. Yes. Then, guys, we need, and now we need some of these black cardboard. And 4 will be enough. 3. That's 4. That's good. That's right. Then we need to cut more excess. Need more tape. Up. And we need one more piece of tape. Yeah, and guys, look, we made one cell. Now we are going to carry on with the prisoners. I might actually make 3. Yeah, let's make 3. Let's just do this. All it's need to be like that. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Now let's put orange away. We need that for a little bit later. He's black. Where's black? Here's black. Yeah, I need to make the eyes. Oh wait, I need black for something. This side doesn't make well. This marker's almost dead, but it still has a. But it's still just fine. Wait a second. Why did I color the hands black? It's okay. Just color them this color and this color, and we got our prisoner. Yeah, but I'm not going to start cutting it. We are going to make 2 more, then I'm going to start cutting. Yes. And these. Guys, I don't think I don't want to put here for the last guy because I want to draw him bold. Yeah. Now we are done with this too. Guys, now we are going to start cutting. Yes. Guys, look, we did it. So let's put them in the cell. You go first. Yeah, that's free. Guys, we almost finished. Let's just take care of it. Here's the first group. So far from here. And guys, now we are going to take this side. Just need to keep going. Guys, now it's like this. Yeah, take an Easter egg. Then take a tape. And do something like this. A stick. Then put this on. Get the three brothers in prison. And guys, look, we made our prison. But there's something else. And guys, here's the surprise. The surprise we're going to do. Drum roll, please. Happy Easter! And guys, if you enjoyed this video, press on the like button and subscribe button. And guys, if you like a present with Easter eggs and Easter chocolate, have a fantastic day, and don't forget to make this present. Have a great Easter, and I will see you next weekend.